Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to disable Vibrate for followers and contacts notifications on the X app. If you've been getting constant buzzing from new followers or updates from your contacts, this will help you put an end to those vibrations while still keeping your notifications visible. Let's go step by step so you can get it done quickly. First, head over to your phone's settings. Depending on your device, you may find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're inside the settings, you'll need to scroll until you see the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, from the list of installed applications, look for the X app. Tap it to open its details page. Here, you'll have access to settings that control how the app behaves on your phone. Next, locate the section titled Notifications and tap to open it. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how and when the X app sends alerts. Inside the Notifications menu, look for Notification Categories. This section breaks notifications down into different types, allowing you to adjust them individually. Tap on it, and then select Followers and Contacts. Once you've reached Followers and Contacts, you'll see several options that determine how you get alerted. Here is where you'll find the Vibrate toggle. Simply switch this option off. Doing this will stop your phone from vibrating every time you get a new follower or an update from someone you know, but you'll still receive the notification visually and through sound if those options are enabled. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can tighten up control over your notifications and make sure your phone isn't buzzing constantly throughout the day. This simple adjustment is a great way to reduce distractions while still staying connected. If you've been interrupted by endless vibrations, turning this off can feel like a real relief. Now your phone will notify you in a less intrusive way whenever there's an update in your followers or contacts section. Take a moment to test it out by having a friend follow or interact with you, and you should notice that your phone no longer vibrates.